guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today we will see unboxing and review of artificial plant. So this is 87 feet, total 12 strands containing only leaves. So I got this for 20 dirhams, and let's open it and see, and we will measure the total length. So let's see how many strands we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 strands, and let's measure the length of one strand. Okay, so now let's measure the length. इसमें भी दिखा देना, ठीक है ना? So I am folding once, and then folding 4 times. So it is around 1 feet 9 inch. So total is so it's 2 feet around, so total is 8 feet or 7 feet 3 inch, which is correct. And if I see quality, so quality wise it is okay, and you can see the quality of leaves also. It is sticked to these branches. So overall the product is nice.